Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Basically, in this time I'm going to be showing you guys how I designed this e-commerce website. You can see a lot of product on it. That's a lot of functions, but I'm not going to do that here. You can visit this URL to check a lot of function that this particular website has, and also you can just purchase from them. And basically, this website you're going to learn how to do it without writing a single line of code. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos to encourage me to do related content. So thank you. So let's get started. So first and foremost, in order for you to design something like this, you need to set some things in place first. You need to get a cPanel. Now already I have a cPanel already, and I have a domain name already. So you need to get a domain and a host. Basically, how you're going to get that? You're going to visit any of the host provider, either GoDaddy, Namecheap, Whogo's, etc. So basically go there and get a domain and hosting. Once you don't get the domain and hosting, you're going to give you a link to a cPanel and a login details. Once you get that, you can just log into your cPanel. Once you log into your cPanel, this is what you're going to see next. So once you're on the same page with me, you can follow up. So the next thing for us to do now is for us to just go to our file manager. So once you get to your file manager, you're going to see a lot of stuff. So you may not see a lot of stuff like this. Some things may be missing, but that doesn't really matter. So the next thing for us to just click on your public underscore HTML. So this is your public underscore HTML here, right? You can see some file here already in my, right? So yours, you can see some other file. So the next thing for you to do is for you to just select those file and delete them. You select those file and you delete those files, right? I'm going to delete my because this is the file I'm going to be using to design this website. So basically I'm going to show you how you upload that file. So now you can see I can just go ahead and upload the file again, or basically let me just do that. I don't know, just hold on, let me see how fast it will upload. Then I'm going to do it again. So I'm just going to click installable and upload. So let's watch and see how far it's going to go. If it's not that fast, then I'm just going to go back and use that file. So I think we can just exercise a little patience to just show you the process from start to finish. So hold on while this is uploading. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and also feel free to share the link. Also, if you have any complaint, you can just hit my DM. And also, if you have any other complaint, also you can just make it right on the comment section. I'm going to reply definitely. And if you need this file, you can hit me on my DM or just email me. You see my email down there, you can just email me. So while this file is almost done uploading, so we're done. Okay, just go back, right? So once you're done uploading this file, you can see I'm deleting every other thing here. So you see how I did this from start to bottom. So we're going to extract this file now, right? So extract this file. So once you're done extracting the file, you're going to move some file. So just hold on. So so you click on this and delete this, right? I just made a mistake right now. Not really a mistake though. Just because of some file, I don't want them to mix up. Okay, there's no problem about that, right? So you can just go ahead and click on this, select this, right click, remove the installable, move to the public underscore HTML folder. You do the same thing I'm doing right now. You can see. So next thing for us to do now, you go back to your file manager, you type MySQL, you click on it, you create a database, subscribe. So I want you to get subscribe, so I'll call this subscribe, bro. Cool. So next thing was to do now, we're done writing subscribe, bro. Use same thing again, yeah, subscribe, bro. Then I'm going to use the same thing as the username and password to kind of make things more easier for me. So I'll paste this here, I paste this here. So the next thing for us to do now, we click on allow all privileges, then make changes, right? So make sure your PHP version is 7.4 because it will not work if it's not 7.4, like checking. So since we've make changes, click on make changes. So next thing for us to do now is to check out. So after make changes, next thing for us to do now is to select So after we've allowed all privileges, so this is the next thing we're going to do now is for us to is for us to check our database. So we're going to check our database now. Click on php admin. So we're there now, right? If you know this, we cannot find our subscribe bro here, right? So we're going to make use of this guy. I think it's from the database provider. That the issue is from them. So we're going to make use of this guy. So since we've clicked on that already, so next for us to go to our file manager. So click on public underscore HTML. So this is public underscore HTML, right? So next for us to is for us to check how the website looks. So click on this. It's going to bring out installable. Click on this to check everything is up and running. So next thing for us to click here, you can see everything is showing red. So there's a signal here, right, saying we should fix all this, right? So now for us to fix all this, to make it more easier for us, we can just do this and I'll click this also, right? So everything here is bad, so click on core. So first to click on bootstrap, I think bootstrap is there. Click on this, right click and change permission, right? So click here to change permission. That's what we do, and we go back again. Next one is storage. Go to storage, we see framework, change permission, you click here, change permission, we go back to the next one again. We've done framework, so still storage. I don't know why I left storage. You still have login here, change permission, we click here to change permission. So we've done storage, log, asset now, right? So we're going to asset now to fix asset, alright? So where is the asset? Go back to this asset, right? So the first one is images. Right click, change permission. So I think we have file also, change permission. I think we have this also, change permission. Right, so the last one we're going back to is resource. So I click on this, we click on change permission here. Right, so take a look at how it looks like now, right? Let's refresh. Everything's up and running. So click on verify license. Just click on verify license here also. So get to this point, right? So the first thing, app name is builder, and every other thing set up, right? These are app name, these are website URL, these are database name and the rest. So click on install. So you can see it has installed successfully. We click on exit, then you can see that this is the website. This is how the website looks like, right? Basically, so you can see how the website looks like. So we can allow cookies. So basically we are going to just go through, look at, we have a lot of products. We can just take a look at how it looks like. You can also access the admin from here if you want to access the admin. So let's take a look of how the website looks like. I have a lot of products, etc. So without coding, you can actually do this. If you don't worry about the script, if you need script, just hit my DM. Well, it's not free. So basically, we are going to just if you want to access admin, just click on admin, right, to access admin of this website. Kind of very easy to access the admin. You can see. So that's how you access the admin. So that's how you access admin of the site. So to get this thing, very easy to get. Okay. So let me just check. I'm going to go to my page, my admin. Okay. Open. So this is the admin, right? So this is the admin. Okay. Okay. So the password is not much basically. Um, so to get into admin, you just we're kind of having issue with password here, but that's not an issue at all. Just hold on a sec. I'm going to fix this. Okay, the email is admin@gmail.com, so the password is. So we're trying to log into the admin. So the pass. So we're trying to log into admin. So you're just going to type admin@gmail.com and the password. So sign in and see. So we're in already, right? So you can see we have a lot of stuff. We have total order, pending order, deliver order, cancel order, and etc. A lot of stuff. So we have total customer order ID, right? You can see every other thing. So basically, if you take a look at this, we have a lot of stuff here. Here's where you can add a particular product. You can add a particular product. You can view all products. You can export all sales. Yeah, you can see all order and the rest etc. You can change currency, and also you can change payment gateway. Kind of very easy to do. Everything is easy to do. We have a lot of payment gateway here: Paystack, PayPal, Razor, etc. Flutterwave and etc. So we have a lot of stuff you can do basically. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos to see related content related to this. And also, if you have any issue at all, you can just DM me or write the comments in the comment section, or you can email me. I'm going to reply ASAP. So basically, if you need this, you can also DM me. It's not for free. I'm going to say that clearly. So basically, but you can also get it for free if you can help me with some